What the outcomes can participants hope to achieve from this program?
Okay, outcome is very important because all leaders care about the outcome, right?
Yeah.
What's the bottom line, right? Here's what my participants tell me. What they found is by using this style of leading people, performance improves. Look at Microsoft, look at Apex Healthcare. Just two names that I quote, but there are hundreds and thousands more, right, that are achieving this kind of performance, right, because they changed their style. Okay? Second thing people tell me, leaders have more time now. So instead of saying leaders have no time, leaders actually find they have more time because the employees are doing more work.
Much better, right?
Employees are more independent, and so leaders can spend time thinking and planning and strategy work, right? That requires time. If you're busy running every day, you don't have time to stop and think, right? And leaders need time to think. So that's the other plus, right? The third plus that, you know, Apex Healthcare told me, right, in the last 12 months, they have brought to market new products much faster than they used to do, right? And that is in a very regulated environment, healthcare. Markets like healthcare, banking, financial services, they are regulated driven, right? So they're always having to wait for approval before they can launch new services or new products. And yet, with this new way of working and thinking, right, healthcare companies can launch new products and services faster, right? So it leads to innovation and competitiveness. And finally, because employees are so motivated now, you find that you can retain employees better. So these are the real outcomes.